YouTube subscribers gratitude. Difficult times due to the coronavirus and lockdown in almost all parts of the world have compelled everyone to stay at home. In this period, YouTube is the only way most of us spend our time. It's one platform where everything you need to know is available and in abundance. I just wanted to take a few minutes to thank all of you wonderful people who have spent some of your precious time viewing the videos and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Keep up the good work, folks, and I encourage you all to support every YouTuber who puts in a lot of efforts and hard work to create these videos for you. Please continue watching videos on YouTube and like, subscribe and comment so we can serve you better. Once again, thank you all for your precious time. Thanks, YouTube. Have a great time.
How to meditate. Like anything worthwhile, meditation requires practice. To get the most from meditation, you need to do it every day. This requires a place and time where you will not be disturbed. Sit with a straight back. Don't try to meditate lying down because you are likely to fall asleep. Meditation brings relaxation and peace, but at the same time, this is dynamic peace. Meditation is quite different than relaxation of sleep. When we really meditate, we are fully alert and conscious. Our sense of awareness is heightened. Afterwards, you will have a positive feeling for the world and a renewed sense of energy, spirit, and liveliness. Don't eat before meditating. After a heavy meal, your body will be lethargic with digestion. It is not necessary to meditate in the lotus posture. It is fine to meditate in a chair as long as the back is straight. It is helpful to take a shower before meditating. Burning incense and having a candle are not necessary, however, they can add a little extra inspiration. It is good to meditate early in the morning. Relax. Take a deep breath. 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 In the next video, we shall continue with inspirational music videos for meditation and stress relief. See you in the next video, and thank you for your time.